president of our association to give us his message, or should we call it words from the president. Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Rodrigo, our president.
Thank you, Laila. Good evening. Welcome to San Nicolas Association of Southern California, Town Fiesta 2012. We hope that it will be an exciting and memorable night for everyone. Let's welcome our guest from Pangasinan Brotherhood USA Vice President Rodrigo and wife Lina, who is also the Secretary of the Board, President Ferrer, who will join us later tonight. He appointed me as one of the officers of the PBE USA, and on behalf of the San Nicolas Association of Southern California, we thank you. Please also welcome our friends from Magsingal Organization of America, headed by Mr. Augusto Lu and wife, Grace. They drove all the way from Stockholm just to be with us tonight. Thank you also. Also, we have a new members. Let us welcome Dr. Dan and Dr. Sherry and Chita. Welcome, doctors. We have also Mr. Vic and Marilu Makshun, who moved here from Australia.
Wow.
Vic is our choreographer in one of the dances for tonight's affair. We have Sheila Ong and daughters Diane and Dama. Sheila is our Exicom Chairman Alex Soriano's cousin. Also, for the first time, we have Joy Lagat and friend Phil David. And to everyone here tonight, welcome. Kakailian, I would like to announce that we San Nicolanians of Southern California will host the San Nicolanians Worldwide Grand Inilio 5 next year at the Embassy Suite in Anaheim on July 4, 5, 6, and 7. Mr. Noe Michael Serginia is the Executive Committee Chairman of this reunion. I ask for your full support and cooperation. We are looking for 400 to 500 attendees or even more. That's a lot of people to please. And we want them to go home happy and contented. So Kakailian, let's join together for the preparation, planning, and execution to make this event the mother of all Grand Inilio. Buhay ang San Nicolas. Salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. President. We heard the president. And of course, after this town fiesta, then it wouldn't be what we call, we're gonna rest for all those meetings and practices. After this, then we would have to start again for the preparation of Grand Inilio 5 for July 4, 5, 6, and 7 next year. All right. Let's now move on to the next part of the program. We call him the former president. I think it was for about 5 years or 6 years that he became the president of SNPASC. For his closing remarks, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Froilan Mejia Sr. Sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, please allow me to extend my sincerest thanks to all of you who join us in observance of our town fiesta here in Southern California. Big thanks to the organizer and the committee heads and members who made this celebration possible. Our congratulations also to all the officers of the San Nicolas Association of Southern California, led by our President, Mr. Rodrigo. To our guests and our patrons, thank you very much for the support. We look forward of seeing you next year. God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mejia. Did we tell them about the raffle tickets? I think how many ladies here, the Blue Sisters, are roaming around since we started the event, selling tickets. They're selling it for $2 a ticket, but if you get 10 bucks, then it will be, I think, 6 tickets. Am I right? $10 for 10?
Yeah, $10 for 10.
How come I only got 6, I think? I got 10. So, $2 each, but 10 tickets for $10. So, what's up next for tonight's event, my co-host? Let's look at the program. There you are. All right. The next one would be the presentation of awards. May I call on the chairperson of the Committee on Awards, Mr. Troy Mejia, our president, Mr. Rodrigo, and our executive chairperson, Mr. Alex Soriano, to please come forward for the awarding of the plaques of appreciation. Somebody who help us here, please. Manny Jessie Grace or Manny Carol, to please help us get the plaques of appreciation. Thank you. It's right over there.
Presentation Award. Exec-Com Chairman of 2011 Town Fiesta. Let's welcome Mr. Froylan Mejia Jr.
Actually, Mr. Froylan Mejia is the committee chairperson of the souvenir program. And if you're able to see a copy of the souvenir program, look at this very nice souvenir program. There is a very nice logo of the SNPASC. So let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Froylan Mejia Jr. To receive the award is, maybe you wanted him to be, one more? Okay, so, what our picture? May bayad na daw ito ngayon, pangalawa.